Alright guys, so because we were just in Dylan's garage in the middle of the night and I didn't really get to show off the way the car actually looks now, I decided I'd bring it out today. It's now Saturday, and well, it's the next day. It's the next day, and it's sunny and nice outside, so I figured I'd bring her out and actually shoot a little bit of glamour shots for you guys so you can see and get a full idea of what she looks like now. And I've got to say, like, seeing it today, like, I cleaned her up and everything, seeing it today with the new roof and the stripes gone, it looks incredible. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I'm so happy that I did it. I got to be honest, last night, I was on the fence. I was really nervous about it. But now that I've seen it today and, like, am really getting an idea of what it looks like, I'm stoked. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think the car looks a lot more grown up now, a little bit more mature, without that silver stripe down the side, and the black roof just really sets it all off. And man, she looks gorgeous, very classy, I would say. I hope you guys agree. Let me know what you think in the comments, of course. But without further ado, let's go ahead and actually show it off.